We're in Sukhothai, Central, North Central. So we just had our lunch. Very tasty Thai lunch. One of the eatery there on that side. Okay, so this is Sukhothai. More than an hour, 1.5 hour drive from the city of Pitnasulu. So we're entering an area. What area is this? Ancient monument constructed on an island in the middle of the reservoir. Dito tayo reservoir pala to. Ulam namin kanina, Red Tilapia. Very masarap. Going here, papasok. Fresh water. Yung maganda din yung rice production ng Thailand, no? Because they have plenty of water. Flatlands. Then kanina we had yung lansones na snacks. Very sweet. One of the sweetest, if not the sweetest lansones that I've tasted. Ganda itong Owndays na eyeglasses because may feature siya na you can put shades, no, for travel. So helpful sa akin when driving for glare. I think there's a Filipina here. What are you doing? Uy, ano naman to? Parang Borobudur. Pagoda. This one. I think hindi pa tayo sa kuan, sa loob talaga. These are just mga entrance. Ha? Ang hilig sa mga ganito talaga, no? So tonight we'll be staying here. No? What we observe also here in Thailand, even yung mga best sites nila, destinations, the hotel accommodations are really very affordable. Parang 1/2 lang, no? Of the 1/2 or even 1/3 of the prices that we have in the Philippines. Mas maganda pa yung accommodation.